How does the electronic timer work? For more convenient and intuitive understanding, I will shorten the working time and stop time. I will set the working time to 10 seconds and the stop time to 12 seconds. The first step, connect the power. In the second step, there is a SET on setting button on the timer. Up is the increase at time button. Down is to reduce time button. You can press and hold the setting button for 3 seconds. And the word DC will appear on the screen. Because we need to select the C mode, which is the cycle mode, then you can press the down button, press it twice and the C mode will appear. At this time, you only need to press the SET on button to confirm, and then it can enter the next link. When you press the SET on button, the word on will appear on the screen, which means that it has entered the working time link. The third step, you can set the working time to 10 seconds. When you press the up button once, the screen will appear 10 seconds. If you press the up button once, it becomes 11 seconds. If you press once down button, it will change to 9 seconds. Next, I reset the time to 10 seconds and press the SET on button, indicating confirmation and entering the next link off. The fourth step, after entering the off mode, start to set the stop time. Press the up button to set the stop time. The stop time is 0 seconds. If you want to decrease the time, press the down button. After setting the time to 12 seconds, press SET on button. It will enter the V mode, and then double click. It will change to the normal working mode.